Good evening and welcome. You're watching 6 p.m. Prime with me, Pooja Shali, the show where I try and bring issues that matter to us as citizens of this country. There is now some big breaking news coming in on the Aryan Khan hearing of the bail plea in the High Court. And the latest update that has been coming is that after nearly 2 hours of hearing that had started today for the bail plea in the Bombay High Court, Mukul Rohatgi representing Aryan Khan, that hearing has now concluded, and very strong arguments being given by one of the top advocates of the country representing Aryan Khan, and has said that the case is garnering attention mainly because Aryan Khan is the son of celebrity parents, and importantly has said that at this point even phone seizure was not legal. How can the chats hold? Importantly, that why is there an allegation that Aryan Khan is tampering with evidence? These are the big pointers that have come from today's hearing. Mukul Rohatgi, remember, was roped in after and apart from Satish Mani Shinde and Amit Desai. Now he is representing Aryan Khan in the Bombay High Court. So today is a big day. Remember, of course, while Aryan Khan, his family, his supporters will be expecting that he would get a bail very soon. But the Narcotics Control Bureau is still not budging. They still say they have solid lead and evidence to prove that there was a common intent with regard to drugs consumption and possession. Let's go on the ground in Mumbai. Saurabh Vakhtania is on the ground tracking all the hearing. Vidya, our colleague, is inside the Bombay High Court as well. Saurabh, so clearly strong arguments by Mukul Rohatgi, but what was the focus? How is he going to push forward for bail that has already been rejected on the grounds that there could be a conspiracy by the Sessions Court for further investigation? So how is Mukul Rohatgi arguments today? What were the highlights? How were they different from the previous arguments?
Well, Pooja, they were completely different, and very interestingly, questions have been raised on the NCB officials itself. Because remember, when Aryan Khan was arrested, the NCB officials clearly said that it was his close friend Arbaz who had brought the drugs, and they both were going to consume the drugs together. First question which Mukul Rohatgi has raised is that now Arbaz is saying that the drugs which was found from his position, it was not brought by him, but it was been planted. Now the questions have been raised that who actually planted this drug. This is the first and the most important thing which is said in the court. Second, the NCB officials are saying that all the accused are correlated. This is a huge conspiracy. There was a huge drug party which was going to happen in the ship. But where does this party actually happen? These people all were arrested before even boarding the particular cruise. Third, what he is saying is that the NCB officials clearly saying that the party was planned for 15 to 20 days back. Here what he is saying is Aryan Khan very recently, after completing his studies in USA, he comes back. He was told about the party just a day before. Just a day before he is told about the party. As is a son of a celebrity, he was called as a celebrity itself, and based on his coming to the party, others were invited. He did not even have the tickets for the ship. Most importantly, other things which were argued in the court, he says that even if there is a consumption, even if there is a conspiracy, there are citations from the previous court where there is bail granted. All the conspiracy, all the WhatsApp chat, there is no need for now. That can happen during the trial. And the other things which are now been said in the court is that no possession was found, or no possession of drug was found from Aryan Khan. He did not even have the money. And why, most importantly, why the medical test was not done? Why medical test was not done? Because generally, Pooja, in the rave party and drug bust case, NCB official or the any investigating team conducts the medical test, that is the blood test and a urine test at the spot itself. So why in this particular case?
What you're telling us, Saurabh, is very interesting because yes, this is a completely different turn that one of the top advocates, Mukul Rohatgi, has taken in this case. But can that really pave way for bail plea there for Aryan Khan? Remember, the hearing is still on and we will continue to get you updates what happens in the Bombay High Court today. But at this point, the most explosive event and incident that took place today were the chats that have surfaced, WhatsApp conversations that have now been leaked. And India today gets access to those chats because here this could just pave damage to both Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey. It appears, at least from these alleged WhatsApp conversations, that there was mention of words like cocaine, weed that was being discussed. These are young, generational youngsters, privileged backgrounds, and for them to be using these words at this point, what does that really mean? Take a look at this report.
Ananya, where is the weed?
I will get weed tomorrow. Now that I'm in the business.
We'll take weed from you in secret. Let's do cocaine tomorrow. I am getting you guys fixed by the NCB.
Excerpts from the explosive Aryan Ananya drug chats. Never seen before, damning WhatsApp conversation. India Today is the only channel with the incriminating finding that may alter the Aryan Khan drug case on its head. The incriminating chats, also involving several other star kids and friends of Aryan, took place in a group where Shah Rukh Khan's son is the admin. The chats named two others, Manav and Bilal. In this chat with Ananya Pandey in June 2019, Aryan is seen seeking weed from Ananya Pandey. She replies saying, weed is in much demand. Aryan then tells Ananya that he will take it from her secretly. Ananya adds, saying, now that I am in the business. In the same chat, Aryan is seen again reminding Ananya about the weed, asking if she is getting it. To which Ananya replies, yes, I am getting it. In this group chat, as recently as last April, Aryan Khan told his friend Bilal and Manav, let's do cocaine tomorrow. It was followed by Aryan jokingly telling his friends, I will get you fixed by NCB. The words ironically boomeranged on Aryan in months, who was himself arrested by NCB on 3rd of October. The chats also reveal Aryan's possible link with drug peddlers. It shows Aryan may have bought weed in bulk worth Rs 80,000 from Achit Kumar, an alleged drug peddler arrested on the basis of Aryan Khan's statement.
These WhatsApp chats are the basis for Aryan Khan's arrest by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Other than Ananya Pandey, there are 3 more star kids whose names have come to light from these WhatsApp chats. In days to come, these star kids might be grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau.
और फिर भी सही तरीके से जो है कोर्ट ने जितने भी मैटर जो पेंडिंग थे, कीबैक मैटर्स भी थे, वो पूरे एडजुडिकेट करके अकॉर्डिंगली
अरबाज के पास तो ड्रग बरामद हुआ था, लेकिन आर्यन के पास नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन जो धाराएं हैं वो सेम लगाई गई है। इसको लेकर जज की तरफ से क्या कहा गया?
बिल्कुल, अभी जज के हिसाब से कुछ कहा नहीं गया हुआ है, क्योंकि अभी सिर्फ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स पेश हुई है। अभी इसके ऊपर जज का बोलना भी बाकी है। नहीं, ये उनका ऐसी बात नहीं है। ये एडमिटेड फैक्ट है। उनके वकीलों ने भी कोर्ट में यही बोला है कि वो दोनों दोस्त है। उद्या सेकंड हाफला मॅटर ठेवला आहे आणि कंटिन्युएशन मध्ये होणार आहे, कंटिन्यू होणार आहे. See, the arguments are done on the part of accused number 1 and accused number 2. Half arguments are done. The matter is further kept for hearing at tomorrow 2:30 p.m. कल बिल्कुल रखा गया है इसको.
What was the basic line of argument according to you?
See, the basic line of argument is simple, that there is no part of conspiracy, because if there is conspiracy, then they should have provoked and invoked that since day one. That is the day of arrest.
Sir, one more objection was raised that matter has been listed out of the turn, and there are so many people languishing in jail, and still their matters are not being listed. What was court's view on that objection and that intervention?
No. The court simply said it was a verbal conversation, and the court said that if you want, I will hear you as well.
सर मराठीमध्ये सांगा, कोर्ट सुरू झाल्यापासून आज काय काय युक्तिवाद झाले, कोणाकोणाचे युक्तिवाद झाले आणि उर्वरित कशा पद्धतीने सुनावणी किती वाजल्यानंतर?
उद्या कंटिन्युएशन मध्ये ठेवला आहे कोर्टचा हिअरिंग. कारण काय ऑलरेडी अक्यूज नंबर 2चा आर्ग्युमेंट्स मध्ये पण अर्धा तास 1 तास लागणार होता आणि माझ्या केसमध्ये पण मला ॲटलिस्ट अर्धा तास लागेल आर्ग्युमेंटसाठी. तर कोर्टने उद्या कंटिन्युएशन आर्ग्युमेंटसाठी ठेवलं आहे.
तुम्हाला वाटतं का की उद्या ऑर्डर येईल युक्तिवाद संपल्यानंतर?
होपफुल, आम्ही होपफुल आहोत.
काशिद, क्या आपको लगता है कि कल सबकी आर्गुमेंट सब खत्म हो जाएंगी कि आधी आर्गुमेंट अरबाज की बची, आपकी पूरी आर्गुमेंट?
हाँ, उम्मीद है पूरी कि कल सबकी आर्गुमेंट्स खत्म हो जाएगी, ऐसी उम्मीद है. लेकिन अभी देखते हैं, वो कोर्ट पे डिपेंड करता है.
कोर्ट के 2 ही दिन बचे हैं, कल के बाद जब कोर्ट ऑर्डर दे सकता है या फिर दिवाली वेकेशन से पहले?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं, हमारे पास वक्त है. ऑलरेडी कोर्ट ने कल के लिए इसको फिक्स हियरिंग रखा हुआ है सेकंड हाफ में और हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि जो भी ऑर्डर है पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव जो भी है वो फ्राइडे से पहले आ जाए, ऐसी उम्मीद है हमें. नाही, ते अननेसेसरी विदाउट एनी जस्टिफिकेशन ते या केसमध्ये घातला आहे आणि ज्याचं काय जस्टिफिकेशन नाहीये. ते फक्त फ्रेंडली कन्वर्सेशन होती 2018ची.
जब अमित जैसे आर्गुमेंट कर रहे थे तो अम्ब्रेला कॉन्स्पिरेसी में जानबूझ के सबको रखा गया ताकि सबको उसमें फंसाया जाए, एक आर्गुमेंट किया. इससे क्या आप सहमत हैं कि आप भी एक्यूज के लॉयर हैं?
नहीं, ये जो अम्ब्रेला की जो बिल्कुल ये जो बात की गई है कि सबको एक सेक्शन में इन्वोक करने के लिए सेक्शन 29 इन्वोक किया और सबके ऊपर इन्वोक किया है. इनफैक्ट उनकी खुद की इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये चीज अभी तक प्रूव नहीं हुई है कौन किससे कनेक्टेड है, क्योंकि आप अगर कॉन्स्पिरेसी बोलते हो तो आपको ये दिखाना पड़ेगा कि सब इक्वली कनेक्टेड है. यहाँ पे जब कितने लोग कॉन्टैक्ट में नहीं है तो फिर वो कनेक्टेड कैसे होंगे?
स्मॉल क्वांटिटी या इंटरमीडिएट क्वांटिटी को कमर्शियल क्वांटिटी बनाने के लिए भी हो सकता है आपको?
बिल्कुल, हमारा तो बोलना ही शुरू से यही है कि स्मॉल क्वांटिटी के केसेस में सीएमएम कोर्ट के पास पावर होता है ट्रायल चलाने का. लेकिन इस केस के अंदर ऐसा कर दिया है कि सीएमएम कोर्ट के पास से इसको मेंटेनेबिलिटी का इशू आ गया इसी वजह से, क्योंकि स्मॉल क्वांटिटी को कमर्शियल क्वांटिटी से और इंटरमीडिएट क्वांटिटी से इक्वल करके सेक्शन 29 इन्वोक करके इसको सीएमएम कोर्ट के जुरिस्डिक्शन से बाहर निकाल गया.
मुकुल रोहतगी यांनी एक महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा उपस्थित केला, कारण ज्या व्हॉट्सअप चॅटच्या आधारे वारंवार एनसीबीकडून जामीन अर्जाला विरोध केला गेला त्या प्रकरणाचा आणि क्रूजच्या प्रकरणाचा संबंध आहे, असा एक महत्त्वाचा.
तर याला जोडून जो आरोपी बाहेरनं 17वा अटक करण्यात आलेला आहे तो त्याच्या घरातनं अटक केला होता, त्याचा या प्रकरणाशी संबंध नव्हता. याबाबत काय सांगा?
कोणता आरोपीचा?
जो 17वा आरोपी आहे
17वा अच्युत कुमारचा होते.
Let's go across directly on the field in Mumbai. Saurabh Bhaktania is telling us all the latest. So Saurabh, hearing for now has been adjourned for tomorrow. What does that mean? That only Aryan Khan's legal team have made representation and tomorrow likely the Narcotics Control Bureau will continue. What time will that hearing be? Saurabh.
So it is up to the Narcotic Control Bureau how they reply in this particular matter, Pooja. Remember when Amit Desai was actually argumenting at that particular time, Justice asked that how much long you will take to finish your arguments, to which Advocate Amit Desai clearly stated that I will take another half an hour to complete my arguments, to which Justice Sambre said let's keep it for tomorrow. So the advocate asked what time tomorrow. So the judge clearly stated that for tomorrow afternoon. To which Amit Desai asked that it is convenient for the court to keep it in the morning. So initially when the intervention by other lawyer happened that why this particular case is given so much priority, so judge clearly said that you know already what has happened, to which advocate Amit Desai clearly said that then I have nothing to say, and then everyone leaves the court. So this is what has happened for now. For our viewers, we clearly want to say that now the hearing in this particular case will resume tomorrow 2:30 in the afternoon. This is the time when the hearing will start, by tomorrow by 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Amit Desai will continue his arguments in the court. Let me tell you, this also gives time for the NCB officials to prepare for themselves, because you know Mukul Rohtgi has given a very good argument inside the court. Amit Desai was following the same, but the time got over and the arguments continues for tomorrow. What happens now is, Pooja, after Amit Desai completes his arguments, it will be the lawyer of Munmun Dhamecha very likely who will start his argument. They will try to keep it very, very short, because you know what they want to do is they want to complete their argument in 1 hour itself. Remember, if this gets happened like from 2:30 to 3:30 or say 4, by 4 if the arguments of all the lawyers get over, then the court will ask the NCB to start their reply. And how the reply start, they will, NCB lawyer ASG Anil Singh will again start all the citation. He will try to oppose the bail.
Correct.
So he is also going to take a lot of time. So what is going to happen in this, that he will ask for one more day, he will try to adjourn the court.
And eventually, Saurabh, only 4 days more.
No,
it's not that Aryan Khan has a very long week, because then comes weekend and then there's the Diwali extended holiday as well. So if at all that bail has to come for Aryan Khan, it has to come in just the next few days, and likely tomorrow we'll have the hearing resumed. Saurabh Akhtania is on the field telling us all the latest. I'm heading into a very short break, but remember, this is going to be a very crucial hearing. And the evidence, according to the Bureau, is only the WhatsApp conversations, not the drugs, not also any other serious item or equipment that they have found, or any drug, whether it's which is being referred to, whether it's cocaine in the WhatsApp conversation or it is weed. Nothing has really been found in possession of Aryan Khan, at least. And even now, Mukul Rohatgi is saying, putting the onus on the Narcotics Control Bureau, stating, if the drug that has been found with the other accused, that's also planted. And the Bureau must prove that that have been found in their possession. So completely turning it around on the Bureau. This argument could possibly, if at all, pay way for his bail, or the Narcotics Bureau will come back stronger, with stronger evidence with them that, remember, in the past few days, they have been managing and talking to not only the celebrity parents, but also trying to manage those other witnesses as well. What you see on your screen, is that latest conversation on WhatsApp that has now been accessed. Aryan Khan, you brought the weed, Ananya, to which Ananya then responds very very enthusiastically, and also goes ahead to say, I'm getting it. She also uses words like, I am in the business. All of this could prove to be further trouble for Ananya Pandey. Vidya is now joining me, because Vidya, you were inside the Bombay High Court and you were constantly updating us about what was being said. How were the arguments today? Because now it appears Mukul Rohatgi is saying no drug with Aryan Khan, but also the drugs that were found were planted by the Bureau.
Well, that is Aryan Khan's stand, Arbaz Khan's stance that, you know, the entire drug has been planted. But I'm right now joined by Advocate Sana Khan, who is representing one of the two people who have managed to get bail. The first two people in this particular case have been granted. She represented Avin Sahu, and there's Manish Rajgadia, who is also granted bail. Let's speak to her. What were the arguments that you made in the Sessions Court, and what did the court consider while granting bail?
The detailed order is not out yet, but my argument was mostly based on the allegation against him was only that of consumption of ganja.
On the cruise itself?
On the cruise itself, yes. And nothing was recovered from him. And I differentiated, there is another accused, co-accused, from whom nothing has been recovered in this case, that's Aryan. So I differentiated the role between my client and that of Aryan, because there was no incriminating WhatsApp chats against my client. And also I pointed out about Section 64A of the NDPS Act, how it grants immunity to the people who are, you know, voluntarily ready to undergo treatment for de-addiction. Yes, and also he has no criminal antecedents. And also how conspiracy, conspiracy cannot be established by unconnected facts and unconnected conduct. Merely because he was present on the cruise, he cannot be roped in for the charges of conspiracy, and conspiracy cannot be just foisted on him on that particular point.
Sana, what was being argued by the lawyers representing Arbaz Merchant as well as Aryan Khan, they've said very clearly that the conspiracy bit cannot be foisted on the fact that when the arrest was made, at that time there was no conspiracy suddenly. Only after the entire conspiracy...
There is no comment. Matter is being heard. It will be heard tomorrow now. That's all. Thank
you. Short sentence coming out from him right now outside the court, which is the hearing will resume tomorrow. But inside the court, what our colleagues are telling us was a fiery argument, strong, new, fresh arguments being presented by Mukul Rohatgi, even stating that the drugs found in possession, as Bureau is claiming, were also planted. And can Bureau then show that it was otherwise, that they were found in possession of the other accused? But remember, it's not just about Aryan Khan, but other 4 accused as well currently in custody. So, of course, this is an ongoing development. Tomorrow as well, we will continue to get you updates from the Bombay High Court.